Hey guys, good morning. It is 11:47 in the morning, and guess who's here? My baby. Where are you going? Oh, so he got home from work early. Thank God. Oh my God, my eyelashes are flying away. Anyways, so right now we're gonna go eat with my mom breakfast at Denny's because I just felt like going out to eat breakfast today with my honey boo boo. And then we're gonna go to Costco. And then yesterday I didn't even finish the vlog, but after you guys saw us make the flan, pero cuánto van a querer? We saw a good ass car, but they probably want like almost 12,000. So yeah, yesterday all we did was, he didn't end up doing the choco flan because he didn't have any sugar, and then we just ended, me and my sister were just watching some ghost show, what's it called, Ghost Hunters, Ghost Adventures on the TV, and then he was outside in the balcony with his brother, and that's all we did. And then my mom came over to pick up my sister, and then that's it. We just went to sleep. And then this morning he went to work, but he got home early, so he's here with me today. And now we're gonna put gas. So I did my makeup kind of today. Oh, I'm the one with the money. We're gonna go eat breakfast because we didn't want to make any at the house, and yeah, so right now we're pumping gas. Look at him, he's so cute. Anyways, we're pumping gas, and then we're gonna go to Denny's and eat. So I'll see you guys when we get to Denny's. This guy next to me is like, why is she recording herself? Oh, and then we're matching shoes again, so I'll show you when we get off the car. We like to match shoes. We like to match in general. When we go to like parties, we're always matching somehow, and people are like, oh my God, you guys are so like cheesy, but I like to do it. I'm the one that matches him because he like tells me what he's gonna wear, and then I'm like, okay, so I look something to wear that's similar to his because it makes it easier for me to pick what to wear. So today, and then I'll do an outfit of the day later for you guys. So yeah, let's get our day started.
In schools they walk with like,
oh
they
yeah,
have assisted help.
I thought that was his girlfriend and we're just waiting for him right there.
I would have been like, pues ese no tiene que trabajar o qué chingados.
Lo está acompañando. Daddy's right next to In-N-Out. You see the line of In-N-Out? It's always like that.
Your mom parked all the way over there.
She would. Like, this is where my mom parks. All the way over there. What is the purpose of that, Enriqueta Vences? I told her to go inside and get us a table, but I don't know if she did. She's still in here. She's not. Damn, you parked hella close. Alright, we're gonna go eat. I also told them we were matching shoes. And it was my plan. Okay, bye. Hi. Hi, gordo. Mira. Mira. Ay, ahora sí es una carita.
No, pues yo te hablé, yo dije para ver si se iba a ir a la Costco o no, ¿ves?
Sí, ahorita vamos. Yes.
Hacen algo, siempre hacen algo para las fiestas. Y dije, no, siempre nos invitan.
Hola, chulito. Déjalo.
are at Costco. Told you we were the same shoes. Let me see your shoes, Jesus. I know. We're going camping, so we need stuff. Thinking about getting that one. We have beds already. Mira, ¿te ves? Oh, okay. Huh? Oh, and I was waiting. We went to Food Max. What does it say? To maximize your shopping power. Food Max. Hold on, music car. So now we're going home. Yeah.
To Walmart.
I think we're going to.
We're gonna go to the Walmart to go get the decorations for the top of the cupcake.
Oh yeah. So this weekend we're actually having my little cousin's birthday party. Well, we're not having it, but my aunt is having it. So we wanted to. I need to remember to turn off the music because in the other one there was music.
So what we're gonna do, we're making her cupcakes, choco flan, and a little extra conchas. I don't know if you guys know what conchas are. Conchas are like
The Mexican
bread with like a topping on top. Topping on top of the
You know that recipe you printed? It says egg bread. That's what it says. That conchas are. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go get that, and then we're making her cupcakes, and her theme is soccer, so we have to get little soccer balls. So we're gonna go buy them at the. Are we going to the Ratchet Walmart?
Oh.
So where we live, there's 2 Walmarts, and the one we go to is like we called it the white Walmart because it's like
Very nice and clean.
yeah. And then the other one where we're actually driving to right now, I think.
No, we're gonna come back later.
That one is dirty all the time, and I get so, I don't know, like the lines are horrible in this one, and in the other one it's like totally different. So we live like right in the middle, so we always go to the one in the Sassoon in the white Walmart. So
The clean Walmart.
the clean one. So we're gonna go do that. You don't think they have little balls at the dollar store? Well, my tia said she went and she said she couldn't find any decorations of soccer. So she bought everything at Party City and she spent like $70 on manteles and decorations. So I was like, damn, you know, you could have just printed them out and like bought green tablecloths and like print out soccer balls or something, huh? These kids don't know how to decorate. Did you guys know that our wedding, we didn't even spend that much money because we made most of the things?
Our wedding total was $500.
Yeah, we made like the centerpieces. We made the whole salon or the hall or the little place decorations. We made, what else did we make?
The main thing that we wasted money on
Was the rings.
was the rings.
And not really because we got a madrina.
We didn't really spend money on those. We spent money on the food, which was $200.
Back to the vlog. What were you saying, babe?
So we spent $200 on food, and then another $150 on the tables and chairs. Oh no, actually, that
was free because my godparents, they like rent tables and chairs in like the jumper houses. So, and we did it at the ranch. So we didn't pay for the hall either. That was, they were like, it's fine, you can do it here because they have like a big what can you call that?
a giant shed.
A giant shed. And so we didn't pay for that, and we didn't pay for the tables and chairs. Oh, We only paid for like the tablecloths because we only rented like white ones, white tablecloths. What else? And the food and like the what we wore. My makeup I did it myself. My hair I got it done, but the lady was like, "It's cool. That's my present to you," because she's my mom's cousin. We have hookups everywhere.
That's why when you grow up, you have to be nice to everybody, because if you're nice to everybody, they're just like, it's okay, don't worry about it, I got you.
So yeah, but we still have to plan our Catholic wedding.
Church wedding.
Because we just did like a court civil wedding.
Civil wedding.
So yeah, we're gonna go to Walmart and I'll talk to you guys when we get to Walmart. So when we bought these things, like the flour that's 50 pounds and the sugar that's 25 pounds and the other stuff we bought, we didn't remember that we have to go upstairs to get to our apartment. And we were dying, especially Jesus. So, how did that feel like?
A workout. I don't have to go to work for like a month.
You don't even work out. We have everything we need now to start doing our whatevers. I didn't even do an outfit of the day because we were just everywhere.
You know what else I forgot?
Oh my god, dude, you forgot a lot. Walmart, I bought some little, what are those called? Outside pillows.
Outdoor pillows.
Outdoor pillows. Let me get them. I bought these 2 red pillows. Perfect. This pillow, we had it in our room, but it doesn't really go with our theme, so we're gonna put it out here. So I'll see you guys in a little bit, probably later. Hey, so this is, excuse me.
Move.
So rude. Hey guys, so quick update. Jesus went out to his parents' house to pick up something that he needs to make some conchas. We have 2 choco flanes in the oven, and my children, my birdie flying children, are currently out of their cage. They're just chilling, walking around. I hope they don't poop on the floor. But they just been out here for like 20 minutes. They're really hard to catch, and the only one that can catch him is Jesus, so I have to let them be free until he comes back. So yeah, while he left, I'm starting to edit the vlog that's going on up before this one about yesterday. And then this vlog, you'll get it the next day. So yeah, I'll get back to editing and I'll see you guys in a little bit. When we're starting to make the conchas, I'll show you what we're doing. Making conchas is like so much fun. We've done it once already, but we just did it once. So this time we're actually doing them to like take them to a party for my my tia Fatima's party that we're also making the cupcakes for. So I'm excited. We're trying to start like selling the conchas. So first we have to make a batch and let people try them and see if they like them, and then we'll start selling them. But yeah, I'm just waiting for Jesus to come back. He said, oh, there he is. I was just talking about you.
Hello.
I was like, I'm waiting for Jesus and I can't catch these birds. Look at them. All of them came out. Ooh, what is this?
Carne con chile. My mom said.
He came back with goods. Alright, so I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go finish editing and eat some of that carne con chile. That's how it looks like the top. But then you like flip it over, and this is at the bottom and the flan's at the top, I think. And there's 2. We have them out here so they can cool down. You don't know how good that smells. It smells so good and I can't have any of it. Okay, so
Hey guys, so I made conchas and they're supposed to come out like this big. Let me show you what came out.
That's like a torta. Well, now you know that you have to make them smaller little velitas.
Damn, Daniel. These are great.
They're huge compared to my hand. Look.
That's a big
Let's
baby.
compare it to my hand.
That's a
That's a
big one.
That's a handful.
That's a big handful. Okay, I'm gonna go put these outside to chill out.
So you just made one batch?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh guys, look. We're watching a movie while I was editing this vlog. And then look at our backyard. It's so cute. Look at it. We have little lights. And then there's Jesus. We have little lights. We were the first ones to have little lights out here. And then all of a sudden, someone tries to copy us. But it's cool, whatever. I think my parents are coming over, but I don't know if they know that I have to work early and they're not here yet. So if y'all want some conchas, you know who to hit up.